Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I'm using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Hello and welcome. Now, one thing that you can do in preparation for a survival event is to set up an alert system. Now, the system that we're going to be demonstrating is primarily for residents of the United States. However, you can find the equivalent in your country of the alerts and applications that we are going to demonstrate. One application that you can look for is the Federal Emergency Management Association in the United States, and that's called FEMA. And you're going to want to have the FEMA app. We're going to open the FEMA application. Now, at this point, you need to decide whether you're going to have FEMA send you notifications. And in the case of an emergency, you do want to have FEMA to send you notifications of potential events in your area. So for the sake of this video, even though we may not do it all the time, we are going to click Allow. And we're going to allow FEMA to send us notifications. We are also going to get FEMA to send us the notifications in our language. We're then going to write in our name in the FEMA application. We're then going to click Next. We're then going to write in our location. Now, the location that you enter is going to be important because that is where you're going to get personalized assistance to alerts that will be taking place in your specific area. So once we've entered in our location, we're going to click Get Started. And this is the application that you're going to want to keep track of in order to determine if there is an event in your area and where you're going to be able to get assistance. Now you'll notice here that as of the recording of this video, there are no local events here where the application is set up. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.